everybody ready to get started? Yeah. All right, let's go.
We have 3 schools competing today: Glencliff High School, McGavick High School, and Fairview High School. Very excited to be here. We've got a lot of kids competing in their first ever FFA competition.
Some of the events we do in this competition is like arc welding, which is what I do, which is basically joining 2 pieces of metal together with heat and a filler rod. Oxyacetylene, which is cutting metal in half, all the way to, doing basic math and learning how big a plot of land is. Masonry, it's all about building the corner of a brick O-block structure. Rafters, that's mainly about setting up like how you'd put a roof on a house. We judge on how accurate they are and how clean and nice looking they are and how sturdy overall they are.
We really appreciate Fairview hosting this competition every year and giving our students the opportunity to practice some of these practical hand-on skills related to agricultural mechanics.